and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a no foundation makeup look. Typically for work I do not wear foundation, so if you want to see how I get a no foundation look, stay tuned in this video. Okay, so I'm going to put on my headband because I want my hair out of my face. So the most important thing I like to focus on is my base. Because I'm not using a foundation, I need to make sure my base is on point. The first one I'm going to use is my Coco Cabana cream. This I use every makeup look. It just is so moisturizing. Like, I'm literally, look at that. I am almost completely out because it is my all-time favorite moisturizer. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. Make sure it soaks in my skin. Okay, once that's rubbed in, now I'm going to go in with the Touch in Sol No Pore Blem. We're going to put this all over the face as well. So I try to focus it in this area right here. I'm going to dab it under the eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Peach and Lily Glass Refined Serum. I do this just as an extra step because it definitely hydrates my skin. Since I'm not going in with foundation, I wanted to make sure I go in with some sort of color corrector to get all these dark spots. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Skin and Deep Peach. Now, it's not going to completely cover the dark spots, but it is going to minimize it a little bit. My beauty sponge that I have it a little bit of damp with MAC Fix Plus on it. And then we're just going to... So I'm going to keep going until this is blended out to my perfection. Which... on a normal work day, honestly, I would just throw this shit together and keep it moving. I'm probably done my makeup within like 10 minutes. But sometimes I watch TV, so it takes me longer. But normally it's like 10 minutes I'm done my makeup when I do a no foundation look. Because, like I said, I wake up late, so I'm always late for work. So as you can see, it did not cover every single dark spot, but it reduced it just a tad. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. So lately I've been using the two Fenty concealers. I have it in the 380 and the 390. I take the 380 as kind of like my highlight. And we're just going to go in here. I'm going to take the 390 Fenty one. And that's what we're going to cover over here. So it looks like a lot, but we're not putting it all over my whole face like you would for a foundation. I'm just doing little touch-ups here and there. Just whatever needs to be concealed and covered. So then I bring it all the way up so it evens out everything. It doesn't look like it's just focused in one area. I especially go over this area a lot because when I smile, you can see my dimples. I get smile lines like bad. So I like to smile and dab there because by the end of the day, I will have creases from my smile lines. And I'm going to go in with the Becca Hydra Mist powder. This is in the shade Golden Bronze. I got this in my BoxyCharm as well. BoxyCharm be hitting that shit. I like this because it's a light powder. So here's what it looks like. This powder is pretty freaking awesome though. It hydrates. So when you put it on, it feels cold and wet, but then it like dries like a powder. It is so cool. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Loreal True Match in Classic, just kidding, in Creme Cafe. Now, it looks like it's taken me a long time, but that's because I'm walked through. But if you're doing this on a daily basis, again, it should only take you about 10 minutes. 15 tops. The blush I've been using lately is the Holly Boom Dare to Be Different blush. And this one's in Finishing Touch. It is a really, really pretty blush. Make sure I get a little bit of color on my cheeks. And then I'll put some on my nose. Again, to like even out. I don't know. Amanda Ensing's been doing that, and she got me into doing it. And there you go. It's not too much, but it gives you a little bit of color on your face. For highlight, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Highlight and Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I love this highlight. Oh, this highlight is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love it. Now my face base is completely done. I'm actually going to go off camera and do my eyebrows. And I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyebrows are on. I just used the Wet n Wild brow pencil. I always use that in Simma Brown Now. And with this look, I kind of just go light. I just literally just fill in the hairs that needs to be filled in. I don't do defined eyebrows because I want it to be, you know, natural. So I'm actually going to go in and set my brow. I'm going to use the Anastasia brow gel. And we're just going to set this. I kind of just be very light-handed with it. We're going to go in with eyeliner. So I'm going to take the Loreal eyeliner and just black eyeliner. And I'm going to go as close to my lash line as possible. Now I'm going to do tight line the top lash line. Alright, so now the eyeliner's on, I am going to set my face. I said in my last video, and I've learned many times over the years, I set my face before I do my mascara. Because if I do not, this girl here blinks and I have mascara. You know where I'm going with this. Take the iconic London Prep and Set Spray. I'm going to give it a little shake. And then I'm going to spray my face. Now we're going to do mascara. So I use 2 mascaras. It changes on and off, but I definitely use the Hank & Henry for my lower lash because once you see this brush, you'll understand why. Like, look how tiny this brush is. This is perfect for lower lash line. And then for the top, I'm going to use the Buxom Big Tease. I get between this and the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. But for today's video, I'm going to do this. I was thinking also that I was going to do false lashes, but I want to stay true. I do not wear false lashes to work at all. I'm going to keep it real and I'm not going to wear false lashes, but I am going to skip this process, do mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I did 2 coats on my lashes and then I just did 1 coat for my bottom lash line. So the last step now is lipstick. This is in the color Ruler. I freaking love these lipstick formula. I love the colors they have. This is the lipstick I wear when I go to work because, like I said, it lasts all day. All day. So after I apply it, I always go in like this. I want to blot some of it off. So here is the final look. Like I said, I do this every day for work. It's just so easy for me. If you guys like this look and want to see more looks from me, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.